Welcome to the Cipriani Remodeling Seminar Series, where you can learn the ins and outs of kitchen and bathroom remodeling design from our award-winning designers. We team up with our partner companies like Avalon Flooring, Ferguson Bath Kitchen and Lighting Gallery, and Rettinger Fireplace to host our series where you can get inspired by seeing the latest products, designs, and ideas. The topics include kitchen and bath design trends, designer tips to get a great remodel, secrets for successful remodeling. Many people are overwhelmed by how many decisions there are to make and how much there is to know and put together. Our remodeling experts are there to help guide you through the remodeling experience and answer any questions you may have. These seminars are the perfect venue if you're in the starting phase of planning a new kitchen, bath, or home remodeling project, or if you just need some ideas on how and when to begin and what you need to be aware of and what to look out for. We've been in South Jersey for the past 40 years tackling all sorts of remodeling projects. So sign up for the seminar and take advantage of our expertise and ask your remodeling questions to our experts. Our seminars are free, but you do have to register in advance. Click on the link below to do that, or go to ciprianiway.com/events. We look forward to seeing you at one of our seminars soon.